SeamFil repairs nicks, seams, and gouges in laminate surfaces with ease. SeamFil bonds mechanically to the dark phenolic of the laminate, drying hard to become a permanent part of the laminate surface. In fact, SeamFil resists moisture, detergents, and other household products as effectively as the original laminate. In addition to standard joints, SeamFil works well on cracks, chips, and other imperfections where the dark phenolic is visible. Here's how it works. Begin by cleaning the joint and surrounding area with SF99 solvent, which is specially blended for SeamFil and laminated plastics. Select the desired color from Campbell's Color Matching Guide. SeamFil is available in 20 standard colors to match any decorative laminate, but can be made to match any color in any quantity by color experts at our factory. If you have an exact matched tube of SeamFil, the color number is stamped on the front of the tube for easy identification. SeamFil has a satin finish, like most laminated surfaces. Squeeze a small amount of SeamFil on a scrap of laminate. With a putty knife, spread and work the SeamFil to allow for the evaporation of solvents. This will thicken it, improve the application, and reduce shrinkage. Add the SeamFil retarder to extend the mixing time. There's also SeamFil Clear Gloss for a glossy finish if needed. Press the thickened SeamFil into the joint with the putty knife. Remove any excess SeamFil with a cloth moistened with SF99 solvent. SeamFil begins to harden immediately. If shrinkage occurs, you can repeat the process 1 hour later. SeamFil will achieve maximum strength after several days curing time. When finished, close the tube so that it isn't hard for the next application. That's how to do it. But with every do, there's a don't. Never apply SeamFil with an unpolished or nicked putty knife, which can scratch the laminate. Don't apply SeamFil directly from the tube, which can result in excess shrinkage. Also, don't use SeamFil for repairing hairline cracks or scratches. It is designed to repair major defects.